Dear viewers, hope you are well. Uh, I am created a text animation in PowerPoint and I am showing how you can create such type of animation. First, I am showing what I am created. So uh, I make the full screen and yes, I am making this animation and now I am showing how you can make the similar animation in PowerPoint. First, I am created a new presentation and did all the text and zoom out the blank presentation sense. So I am choose the right click and select the format background option and change the color to like blue color. So next I will add a shape. Like I am select the oval shape and press the shift button and make this shape and position in the mirror position. So I will be select the shape outline option and choose no outline, and also I am make the color like I am choose the more fill color options. I will choose the more fill color option and I am select the orangey red color similar to this. And now I am moving to the animation panel and choose the grow or shrink options. So in this case, and I am positioned in the bottom of the sense. So I am moving to the animation pan and also double click the oval shape and increase the custom size to like 500 or 550% and press the enter button. Without pressing the enter button you cannot save it, so press the enter button. And I am also change the increase the smooth like 0.12 second and smooth doing like it's not necessary, but uh, increase the smooth. And also you can choose the auto reverse and uh, also add sound, but I am not interested to and I am press OK. So this animation is happened. So there is I am also increase some like 560% and press the enter and press OK, and this is happened. So I am add some text on it. So I am choose the text box and like press it and write the hello. Also I am previously cricket, so I am copy from it and paste it. So and I am it's a Arial black font and I am positioning it right on the middle position. So I am moving to the animation pan and choose the flying option and effect option from top. So I am I am moving to the text box to the upper position and oval to the bottom position. And now and play it. This has happened. So I am choose it and make the position send to back. So I am play again and this is the first animation pen. And you also uh, start after previous, so you should not click next time. Next I am at another text element, so I am choose the text button and add it, add the another text, like there is this text I am at. So I am paste it and increase the size like 48. So and position to the right right position, and now I add animation, and I am also select the flying option, and it's like from bottom. So like this, and now the animation is complete and this is happened. But I am not adding uh, after previous, so you should add after previous, and it will be occurred after over sense. So press it and this is happened. So you can easily animate text or like shape in the PowerPoint. It is one of the powerful tool for make a presentation. So and also subscribe my channel and make a comment on the comment section, so I can make a better understanding what are you thinking about this. So thank you all.